Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm going to show you guys how to rotate tires on a Nissan Xterra 2011. So first up, we're going to jack up the rear of the car. So once the rear of the tire is off the ground, what we're going to do is we're going to put the jack stand right next to the jack, and after that we're going to lower the entire car onto the jack stand. So after you lowered the car onto the jack stand, the next step is to remove the rear tire. So after that, once we were done taking the rear tire out, we're going to take the jack and we're going to jack the front out and take the front tire out. So after the front of the car is jacked up, we're going to proceed to removing the car front tire next. So now, since we have both tires removed, we're going to take the front tire, put it into the rear, and we're going to take the rear tire and put it to the front. So right now, I'm putting the front tires back on. Now I'm putting the rear tires on. So now, since we have both tires put back onto the car, what we're going to do is we're going to take the jack, put it on the car, we're going to jack it up, we're going to take the jack stand out, and then we're going to lower the jack and take that jack out. Okay guys, that's it. That is how you pretty much rotate tires on a Nissan Xterra 2011. Hope you guys liked the video, and also please make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Move out! Intro, take one, action.
What's going on, guys? This is Jimmy.
Cut. Intro, take two, action.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm going to show you guys how to rotate tires on a Nissan Xterra 2011. Okay,
Cut.
let's go.
Jack rear, take one, action.
Okay, so first, what we're going to do is we're going to jack the
Cut. Action.
It won't go down.
Closing. Action.
Okay, guys, that's it.
Cut. Front tire. Action.
So after we get the